The letter with two eyes. Try to recall. You have learned it before. Read this. What is this?
वो क्या था? सा?
No.
And वो क्या था? हो नहीं.
Having two dots.
Jim.
No. When you have two dots on the top, it is not Jim. When you have two dots on the top, this one.
मैं ता कह रही थी भी. मैंने ता भी बोला.
Okay. Nice. So that was tha. Ta and the round shape. It was ta in the round shape. Okay.
Gee, I was technically saying it.
Okay. And then without dots, this round ta will become ha. Okay.
Okay.
And then we have the joined round shape of ta. And again, without dots, it became what?
Sa. Ta. I mean ha.
Yes. And then this shape again, ta. And if we omit the dots, it will become ha.
Ha.
And there is another one shape of ha having two eyes.
Ek second. You know when somebody said like it looks like a boy. Like see is the top is like a a mohawk, and this is the shirt. That part. That's the eyes, and he's like cat.
So
Looks
it,
kind of
it
like
looks
that.
it looks like what?
A boy. Like say I'm looking at you like what?
So these are the hair,
G.
and these two are eyes,
G
and then this one,
is the shirt.
color of the shirt. Okay. Yes. So this is ha. This hero thing is ha. Okay.
Oh, hi. His. He.
And
That's
hero. Okay. So
that's
this,
why
yes,
that's
this
why
is
that's why Allah made the ha like that.
yes. And this is the other shape of two eyes ha.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.